G'day fellas, here we go. We've got a beer I haven't tried before, or a style I haven't tried. Modern Bayberry. Bayberry Gose. And there it is, it's got the colour. There's a berry drink, peaberry or something. Burberry. I don't know. There's one in Thailand I have sometimes in the beer. That's not bad. This one you can see the colour of it. Wow. Not much of a head. Oh wow. That's really full on berry. Doesn't taste like beer. Actually, I don't mind it. It's refreshing. Be great on a stinky hot day. It's only 4%. I like the taste of the berries. Quite different. You'll probably see that one around, guys. Certain bottle shops, I guess. I don't mind it. I reckon that's a winner. Even your kids would like that. My kid's 26. I'm not recommending young kids. But it's really good. That's the sort of beer you want to have when you're like an old man and you need some goodies with the beer, not get too drunk. Tastes healthy. Really healthy. Amazing. And a pretty good flavour. Go alright with ice cream somehow. That sounds weird, doesn't it? Just the taste of the berries is that sort of flavour. So a tad sweet. Full on Bayberry. I better look up Bayberry and see what they are. Might have to grow them here. Bloody hell. Tastes great. I was thinking of growing ginseng here, but you've got to grow it in the mountain and get over the right temperature. I got my mate come to say hello. Hello, mate. Yeah, come up. Yeah, here. Right. You cheeky, aren't you? You want some din-din? Yeah, I'll get some din-din. Alright. Yeah, I'll go and get some din-din. Alright guys, I'm going to leave the camera here and take the beer away and get some food. Come on, mate. Hang on. Well, that was different, guys. You get to watch the bird.